Obsessed with Chava and can't get enough of glorious Maratha history, just an hour's drive from the city lies a place that takes you back in time. Chhavni literally meaning transit camp. With clear view of two of the most beloved Maratha forts, Lohegad and Visapur, the ruins stand tall as a living testament of the courage and valor of our ancestors. Set in the foothills, Chhavni heritage is nestled in a handpicked location close to the ancient Satavahana caves and the iconic trade route called Dakshin Path. In pre-colonial times, this very land saw soldiers galloping on horseback, wealthy families in livery chariots, bullock cart caravans transporting merchants' goods, and citizens journeying on foot. To make these long travels bearable, Chhavnis or transit camps served as a temporary shelter, usually set near water bodies, temples, and caves. Let's talk about the room. The resort features over 12 charming stay options categorized as Sarja Raja, Rahuti, Royal Cart and Yashwantwada. We stayed in the Royal Cart, a room literally built on a cart. It's spacious, serene and oh so comfortable, making you feel like a royalty the moment you walk in. What truly blew us away was the bathroom. With fragrant body washes and the cutest pittal ka bartan, every corner is adorned with fresh flowers elevating the entire experience. Meals are served in beautiful hilltop dining hall with a panoramic 180-degree view of the valley and the mountain ranges. Right next to it is a museum that's an absolute treasure trove, showcasing age-old coins, vintage utensils, shringar boxes, swords, royal garments, pethas and even Raja Ravi Varma's painting. Most artifacts here are over 300-year-old. A visit here stirs deep pride and reverence for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his legacy. Beyond the heritage, nature is a true star here. The expansive lawns, mesmerizing views and the crisp mountain air. Absolutely unforgettable. While they say the monsoon is the best time to visit and we do believe them, but this destination is a timeless getaway. Stunning no matter the season. After the museum tour, we headed on a guided forest walk. We discovered local harvest practices, spotted rare berry bushes and even came across the mystical Karvi plant, a fragrant bloom that only flowers once in 8 years, painting the valley into magical shades of blue. Chhavni also takes sustainability seriously, having planted over 8,000 medicinal and herbal plants within the property. Add to that an infinity pool overlooking Visapur Fort and the forest, a gaming zone, horse riding and vast lawns. And you've gotta say, that's nothing short of a dream. And the best part you ask, prices start just at Rs 7,500 inclusive of 8 lavish buffet meals for 2. Expect local delicacies like pitla bhakri, kala rasa mutton, wangichi sabzi, thecha, taak, indrayani rice and those perfect chai pakoras evening. Still wondering if it'll be too hot? Don't worry. We were pleasantly surprised. The weather here is amazing. Apart from a few warm hours in the day, the breeze is nippy, refreshing and honestly, you might not even need a AC at night. So, whether it's a season or the reason, Chhavni is the perfect place for your next chutti.